Day 7 in Tokyo. I'm on my way to the Imperial Palace, and that has taken me to downtown Tokyo. So this is the Midtown office district, to equate it to like New York City. It's basically similar to that. It's where a lot of office high-rises here, and the Imperial Palace is just a few blocks that way. One of the challenges that I found this Saturday morning was that I didn't get a coffee at the train station, and I've come out so far. It's been hard to find a place because it's 8:30 in the morning, and it's been hard to find a place, or I haven't found a place yet that's open. Even Starbucks, the one that I saw before, opens at 9 a.m., which I'd hoped they'd been open earlier. But yeah, so they've got their own speed and their own pace here in Tokyo. There's another sign for a Starbucks and a 7-Eleven up here, and I may just get a quick coffee. 7-Elevens usually, they're open all the time, so I'll see about that. But yeah, so downtown Tokyo. I'm looking forward to the Imperial Palace, checking that out, and that doesn't open till 9, so I did give myself some time to find a cafe, and I will continue searching. If not, it's going to be good old 7-Eleven. About to enter the outer garden of the Imperial Palace via this bridge. These moats here. This is the Palace Hotel, an office tower. Downtown Tokyo. As usual, there's a certain exit that would have been ideal from the train station, because this building that's right in front of me now has one of the exits from the train stop that I got off at. But there's a lot of, some of these stations have a lot of different choices, and probably best to scope it out beforehand. Google Maps is very good when given directions that include transit. It's very good about saying which entrance or exit would be ideal. And lo and behold, there is a Starbucks here at the Imperial Garden. They really have a hold on Tokyo, Starbucks does. Looks like they're just getting set up. They're probably not open till at least 9. Rest house, beverage vending machines. Okay, so here we are at the Gateway to the Imperial Palace, the outer gardens. Gorgeous open space. Different kind of day today. Sunny. Yesterday was rainy, cloudy, but it didn't damper the good time. Had a nice trip on the Shinkansen. There's a bit of downtown Tokyo. Let's see what time we got. It's just about 9. And they say the Imperial Palace opens at 9, so I guess the gardens extend down there. Beautiful park. So here on the Imperial Palace tour. And it's a guided tour. Registration is required at the front. Recommend doing it in advance if you possibly can. And only walk on the outside of the buildings, which is fine. Which is fine because this is an active palace, and they separate the tours by language. So I'm on the English language tour, and there's a lot of people. He's weeping little tree. That's a moat. Of course, incredible, lovely greenery. Let's see. Okay, so this is one of the great buildings here at the Imperial Palace. Giant open square right here. Amazing. I'm gonna get myself some shade under this tree. This tree is gorgeous right here.
Okay, and yes, actually it was originally a wooden bridge replaced by the stone bridge. Also has a nickname, Megane Bashi. Megane means eyeglass, why? So I think at the bottom of the bridge because have the water in the eyeglass. So it's this is exactly your this is the start in the last time, so it's so pretty in the last there is a castle in Kyoto, so
This lattice work on the bridge, on the rail.
By the order of third shogun, grandson of Ieyasu, the third shogun, and that is the ruler in the third shogun. He wanted to know the tower is transferred from Fushimi Castle where he grew up. After the tower originally studied in Fushimi Castle in Kyoto, dismantled and brought away and reassembled there. Two-story garden for Yagura Tower, one-story garden for Tamon, maintenance of the weapons, firearms, guns. The previous one had the 42,000 square meters. Here is the garden on the left side to the space. You can see two mountains. This was 6 meters. It's supposed to have shapes of turtles, giant turtles, okay? Because the turtles are very lucky motifs in Japan. It's the symbol of longevity.
So the palace tour is over, and I found an underground walkway that goes to Tokyo Station with an underground art gallery, Gyokodori Underground Gallery. So this is perfect for getting to Tokyo Station because it's getting hot out there. The sun's getting high and don't have to deal with traffic or waiting to cross large streets. So I'm glad to have found this. Outside Tokyo Station now, I found the front area and I'm gonna walk a little bit, try to get some perspective. It's busy, busy, busy on a Saturday. Seems to be, it's busy every day, but today is Saturday. I wanna surrounded by big office towers. I was reading somewhere that there's right now a massive development boom going on in Tokyo. And they're building just some amazing structures. But this one goes back to the old days. Tokyo is definitely a place where the old meets the new. See that Bulgari up there? Interesting. So I'm gonna cross, see if I can get a perspective. It's just after 12 noon for a photograph. The gorgeous trees are blocking a potential photograph. So I will continue to walk until I find a good perspective to get a nice wide shot at the train station. I may have to go into this parking lot over here. We shall see. Here we have a statue. What's amazing is that when you're down underneath the ground in Tokyo Station, it feels so modern. And if you didn't know that the exterior of the building was like this, you might not seek it out. But this is it. And we got a nice big plaza over here. And again, just over that way is the Imperial Palace. So if the emperor or his family need to catch a train, it's just a short walk away. Although I doubt they're walking from the train station to here, from the palace to the train station.